വരുമോ നിറങ്ങൾ പിലിവിടർത്തും പൂക്കാലം സ്വരങ്ങൾ തമ്പുരുമീട്ടും ശ്രീരാഗം വരുമോ നിറങ്ങൾ പിലിവിടർത്തും പൂക്കാലം സ്വരങ്ങൾ തമ്പുരുമീട്ടും ശ്രീരാഗം പണ്ഡിറ്റ് ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റു geography for children. Jawaharlal Nehru born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His father was Motilal Nehru and mother was Soru Rani. His wife was Kamala Devi and daughter Indira Gandhi. Nehru got his early education at home after he went to England for getting higher studies. He became a lawyer. Later he became involved in the India's freedom movement with Gandhi. Nehru and Gandhi had a very good and close relationship.
I am Insha Shafi, respected teachers and my dear friends. Good morning everyone. Today November 14, the birth anniversary of our own Chachaji. His birthday celebrated as Children's Day all over the country because his love and affection for children. Good morning everyone. I am Aman Ali, MSA HSS Kundur. Today we are going to talk about Children's Day. At first, I would like to wish all Happy Children's Day. Children's Day celebrated on 14th November every year in India. It is birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. Happy Children's Day, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I would like to speak about Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India. He is great freedom for wonderful to all. My name is Sisan Arif from UKGD. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to speak about Najba Fatima. Happy Children's Day. Chachaji, Chachaji, Nyamala Sondam Chachaji. Chachaji, Chachaji, Nyamala Sondam
മനസ്സിൽ ഇനിയും ഒന്നു വരുമോ? നിറങ്ങൾ പിലിവിടർത്തും പൂക്കാലം, സ്വരങ്ങൾ തമ്പുരുമീട്ടും ശ്രീരാഗം.